में कोई हलचल हो सनम पे इश्क पे हो मिटा दूं लुटा दूं.
Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video I'm going to tell you how to make this type of video. So I say this type of a video edit is totally easy, so you can do with your mobile in just 5 minutes. So I say before going to this video, let me tell you, so I say today to make this video it took really a more time, so please watch this video till the end and share this video to everyone. So I am Shafi, you're watching Shafi Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all open your kine or kine master. So guys, you can download this video editing app by just typing this name on Play Store. So guys, after opening this app, just tap on settings and after scroll down, and as you can see one setting, so advanced settings, so tap on this. So after that tap on continue anyway. So guys, after scroll down, and as you can see, so now as you can see this is third one, so just enable this third one. So guys, and after that just go back and after that tap on plus button. So guys, after tapping on the plus button, you have to select 9:16. So guys, because the TikTok videos will be in a so guys, TikTok videos will be in 9:16, so that's why you have to select 9:16. So select this format. So guys, after this after that you will get this clean interface, so just tap on this full screen so you can see like that. So guys, after that tap on media and select the video which was recorded. So select the video which was recorded by you. So guys, so as you can see, so I selected the video which was recorded by me. So guys, and after that just tap on this tick mark and after that tap on play button. So guys, after tapping on the play button, so as you can see, so this is a simple video which was recorded by you. So as you can see, so this is a video which was recorded by me. So first of all what you have to do means, so you have to slow down the video. So I will tell you what to do. So guys, so just go back and so guys, just do this zoom. So guys, now play video again. So whenever you will show like this, then just tap on this video track and after that tap on this scissor. So after tapping on the scissor, tap on this third option. So after that tap on this again, this is second video track and go to speed control, and after that you have to slow down this video just a little bit. So if you want you can slow down, but I don't want to slow down this video, so my video is in correct motion. So if you want to slow down, then you can just make this video in slow motion. So I'm just telling you, so you can use this slow motion here. So guys, after that as you can see, so now here I am showing this finger. So guys, now what I have to do means, so just tap on this video track and after that go down, and after that so guys, as you can see color filter, so tap on color filter and after that as you can see, so here you can see like this. So guys, go down and as you can see, so now here I'll show you. So guys, no need to worry, I'll show you. So guys, this one, so from last onwards, so one, so this is a 14th one, so just see this is a blue one. So select this blue one and after that tap on tick mark. So guys, so again select this video track and go down and tap on color adjustment. So guys, after that you have to decrease this third one. So guys, decrease this third one. So decrease this third one. So guys, make sure that your video will be like this. So your video should be like this. The background should be total in blue color and your video should be normal in a blue, in a white, in a black color. So make sure that background will be in blue color. So guys, so after that what you have to do means, so just you have to save this video. So tap on the share button and after tapping on the share button, so select the format that you want. So make sure you save your video in 1080p in high bitrate and after that tap on export. So guys, after saving the video, just go back and again go back. So again tap on this plus button and again select the normal format. So guys, after that again tap on the media and after tapping on the media, so you have to select that video again. So the video which was recorded by you, so select that video again. So you have to select this video again. So guys, this is a video which was recorded by me, so I selected this video again. So again now here you have to crop this. So guys, now see carefully, this is very important. So guys, so I cropped the video here. So again I will crop the video and after that you have to So guys, after that tap on the layer, and after that tap on media. So guys, after that you must have one thunder effect video. So guys, if you want that thunder effect video, so link will be in the description below. So just download that thunder effect. So guys, as you can see, so this is a thunder effect. So just you have to make this video in full size, and after that tap on tick mark. So guys, after that you have to keep, so you have to set this thunder effect here from the second video track. So guys, after that again go go to the first, and again tap on layer and tap on media. So guys, again after tapping on the media, you have to import the video which was saved just now. So guys, just now we saved this video, right? So we have to save this video. So guys, and after that, so here we have to cut the video. So as you can see, so now here I am cutting the video. So guys, here we have to cut this video, and after that select this video again, and after that you have to scroll down, and you have to go to color adjustment, and after that you have to decrease its brightness. So the first one, brightness, you have to decrease. So guys, after that tap on tick mark, again tap on this video track, and after that scroll down and tap on chroma key. So guys, after tapping on the chroma key, so just enable this one, and after that tap on key color. So guys, after that you have to select this blue color. So guys, after selecting this blue color, so just you have to see your video. So here I'm just seeing my video. So guys, as you can see, so now here you have to change. So here let me see. So now as you can see, so this is how I'll get. So again tap on this video track and tap on the second one. So this is the size one, and after select the video in full size. So as you can see, so now we got this effect. So guys, so here let me take this video out. Let me cut this video. So now I'll show you the video. So guys, everything was not completed. Still remaining part is remaining. So still there is a part remaining. So guys, as you can see, so now we just got this thunder effect. So this is nice here, but now we have to add the audio. So for this here, so here you have to cut some last here. So yeah, let me crop this one. Alright. So as you see now, so as you can see, so here video will end. So now you have to add the audio. So as you can see, so I added the audio, and now I'm going to play this video. So now first of all let me check again. So here I have to crop this audio. So let me crop. So guys, so this is so let me see. So guys, let me tell you, so guys, video is really great. So guys, after that tap on the share button and again save the video. So guys, so now I will show you the video. So how is the video? So I will show you the video. So guys, and after that, as you can see, so now I'm going to play this video. So just tap on play, and I'm going to select these photos. So guys, so now first let me. So as you can see, so this video is just 12 MB, but clear you will get a really 1080p quality. So here I'm increasing the volume, and now I'm going to play this video. So guys, so as you can see, so this is the video. So I hope you really like this effect. So that's it guys in this video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video to all. And if you have any type of doubt, then comment me in the comment section below. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, Jai Hind.